My sister bought a house with cabinets that were literally falling apart. The plastic-looking wrap, that's called thermofoil. It was peeling and bubbling, and yes, she tried gluing it, but it didn't work. It turns out thermofoil is heat sensitive, so we pulled out an old school heat gun and picked up a newer one from Amazon just to compare. It heats up in under 30 seconds. Just wave the gun over a section until the thermofoil bubbles a little, and then peel. It comes off in one piece. It's kind of gross, but super satisfying. If you're doing more than one cabinet, gloves are a must. The heat blows right back at your hands and your arms. I used these thick welding gloves, which I linked below. Once the thermofoil is off, it's just pressed board. So just sand it with 100 grit, prime it, do a final sand with 220, and then paint it. That's it. So if your cabinets are peeling, don't glue it. Peel it. It's just thermofoil. Quick fix, low budget, and you finally get to paint them whatever color you want.